If you are someone that is looking for a side hustle that you can do at night, I have 6 opportunities for you. These are legit, real work from home companies that you can get paid for. If you're new here, my name is Kim, 53 years old, mom of 5, grandmother to 1, recently laid off from my job, and building an income online in real time so you can follow along with me, mistakes and all. I'm going to cover everything from what is working to not working. So if you want to follow my journey, subscribe below. I know people joke about night owls, but let me tell you a secret. Nighttime is prime earning time because let's face it, the house is quiet, the distractions are low, your brain actually works, and most importantly, the online world never sleeps. Remote job number 1 is overnight customer service. There are some companies that have positions open at night because they operate 24/7, like technical, healthcare, e-commerce. And if you don't mind talking on the phone, or maybe you even want a non-phone jobs like chat support, this is perfect for you. Companies that are currently hiring are AnswerNet, LiveOps, Drips, and ISPN. The pay usually ranges from $14 to $22 an hour. And the best part is scheduling can be flexible. Job number 2 is freelance writing. If you can write an email, you can make money writing. Freelance writing doesn't care what time you work, only that you meet the deadline. Some platforms that you can find some opportunities with are Upwork, Fiverr, Textbroker, Writer, Access, and Valnet. The pay ranges anywhere from $20 to $150 per article. Next, we have transcription. If you love typing or you're someone that hears a sentence and remembers the whole thing, then transcription might be your thing. It's flexible, beginner friendly, and always hiring. Some companies that you can check out are Rev, Wordably, Daily Transcription, and SpeakWrite. Now the pay is a little different from what we're all used to. They actually pay 30 cents to $1 per audio minute, depending on experience. Job number 4 is a virtual assistant. This is one of the best nighttime jobs because people in other time zones need help while you're awake. These tasks can be anything from emails or scheduling, data entry, social media, research, organization. Companies hiring are Belay, Time, etc., Wing, Fancy Hands, and Smith.A. Job number 5 is online tutoring. And if you like teaching, this actually pays very well. You can earn anywhere from $15 to $40 an hour, depending on the subject. Companies hiring are VIP Kid, Tutor.com, Brainfuse, and StudyPool. Remote job number 6 is a social media manager or moderator. As we know, social media never sleeps, and neither do the comments. This job could entail anything from managing inboxes, moderating comments, blocking trolls, scheduling posts. Companies that are hiring are Mod Squad, Live World, ICUC. And if you love social media but you hate posting yourself, you might actually love this. And I have a bonus one for you. This isn't actually a job, it's a side hustle, and this is the one that's changing my life. The reason why I like this so much is because if you're currently working a 9 to 5, you already have a boss, right? So if you get a nighttime job to help pay with the bills or maybe fund your retirement, you're still gonna have a boss. What I love about having my own business is because I don't have to answer to anyone. I am my own boss. I can work when I want to, show up when I want to, and finally earn the income that I deserve to make. This is how I'm rebuilding my life after being laid off at the age of 53. This is what pays me while I sleep, walk my dog, or just out living life. And the reason is because the systems do the work for me 24/7. Why this is perfect is you create content for 1 to 2 hours a day, like a video on YouTube, maybe a video on TikTok. That video will attract people to go to your website. Once they visit your website, we have the system in the background doing the selling for us, so we don't have to do the selling. If you hate sales, you're gonna love this because you don't need to sell. And this is a worldwide opportunity. So you're not just limited in the United States. Best part is, when you make a sale, you keep 100% profit. To make it even better, when you make a sale, the money goes in your bank account the very next day. which is handy when you get those unexpected bills coming in. What I sell is digital marketing education, which is something everyone needs. And it's perfect for people over 50 because people trust your experience more. You lived a life, you're relatable, you're not a 21-year-old person dancing on a social media app. So when I was working a 9 to 5, my evening schedule would be from 4 to 5 p.m., create one piece of content. And then from 5 to 6, I would engage, I would follow up with people, I would reply to people, and that's it. Just by doing that, my best month so far has been $4,200 while working my 9 to 5 job. And it blows my mind even saying that. Because if you're like me and you're short on retirement, that extra money definitely comes in handy. Which side hustle will you choose? If you love writing, then start with writing. If you love helping people, then start with customer service. If you love numbers, try VA work. But if you want the highest income potential that is virtually unlimited, digital marketing is your answer. As long as you can set a schedule for yourself and commit to yourself to actually work. Because here's the thing, a lot of people get started and they don't have that motivation to actually learn the business and then start taking action. This is why it's perfect for people that are in a 9 to 5 because they're already disciplined. They're already disciplined to work. If you could commit to your job, you could definitely commit to something like this. If you want the full breakdown and step by step exactly what we're doing, I have a free masterclass. What you want to do is click on the link in the description below and you'll get access to the masterclass that explains everything. It explains the work schedule, it explains the income potential, and it's the exact training that helped me start building an income even before I was laid off. Those quiet evening hours, the hours when everyone else is watching Netflix, those hours can change your entire financial future. Even if you're over 40 and even over 50, or just tired of feeling behind. You're not too late, you're not too old, and you're not stuck. You just need a plan and a place to start. And don't forget to check out the masterclass in the link in the description below because your evenings are powerful, so let's use them.